here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video, guys. My name is Ashmita and hope you all are doing well and awesome. And armies, today's reaction is one of the most requested reaction of a compilation, of a BTS compilation. This is a Taeyang and Jungkook compilation. So I have chosen the video today. Taekook Moments to Heal Your Soul. Now the internet is overfilled with Taeyang and Cookie compilations. This is the latest one I could find. This also had a lot of views, and I will of course link the original video in my description box. Now, a fair disclaimer before I start this video. Now, I know for a fact that Taeyang and Cookie ship is one of the most famous, probably the most famous ship in K-pop in general, is what I have come to know. Now, there are a lot of fans who ship them in a romantic way. I'm not going to do that because frankly, it's none of my business. So yes, so I'm just gonna look at the video and enjoy their friendship, their close bond, and that's about it, okay? So just a fair warning, I thought I should give this disclaimer. So yes, let's just start with Taekook Moments to Heal My Soul, because I really need some healing of my soul. So yeah, okay. And whew, I'm really excited.
우리 종국이 귀여운 거 이쁜 거 누가 열이지.
I'm already feeling, you know, a little warm and fuzzy in my heart. Seeing that gesture only. So cute again.
우리 종국이 귀여운 거 이쁜 거
How tender. Oh, we don't talk anymore. Is this the because I know you guys have asked me to react to Jungkook and Charlie Puth's performance together. Is this from that? Jungkook's smile is the cutest.
Shouldn't have known that was me. Shouldn't have known me.
너미? 아 맞다, 너 20살이지?
저 이제 20살입니다.
Aww.
BRP A형 공하면 뭐다? 귀다 끝.
야 정말 미니멀리즘이죠? 원래 사랑하는 사람한테 이렇게 써요. 맞아. 아 나도 그러니까 민초 곰탱이잖아요. 부드러운 미니멀리즘이니까. 친할수록
Ah, so cute. Minimalism. The shorter it is, the more I love you. No? That's what he said. And I know I have to react to Winter Bear. I know. Armies, I know.
미니멀리즘이니까.
The closer you are, the shorter the letters. Ah, babies! Both babies! Jungkook making Taeyang shy. Really? Taeyang is no less, huh? He is also giving a smile that, yeah, I know I made you shy. But it's good to see someone like Taeyang taking care of my little baby brother. So, I can sleep worryless at night.
So we going from Manila to Cali, London to Paris.
Airplane part 2.
팬이 아니야 진짜 이제. 암스테르담 찍고, 파리 찍고, 베를린 찍고, 파리 찍고.
They have such busy schedules, yeah.
Hey guys! 안녕하세요.
Oh, this was also there in the women video. Oh, Jungkook was also there, okay.
우리? 나 이제
그래도 한 3시 될걸?
Aww.
So this year, 2015, Mama was to
You know, if my bestie is with me, I'm not gonna like. I'm actually gonna sit this close with my bestie as well. Why wouldn't I?
all the people who show their passion to make this happen.
자, 가야겠다.
But this looks latest. Aww. One thing that I really like, the fact that they are so comfortable being close. That's something not which is really encouraged here, at least in India. You would know, right? Because it's really looked down upon. When we girls do it, when we hug our girlfriends and when we are close to them and really touchy with them, I am that way. But it's for girls here, it's not really looked down upon. But for men, people give glances, which I really don't like. And I like the fact that even if they are on camera, they're really comfortable with each other and really not really shy to show their affection for each other, which I like. And I'm guessing it goes for all the members. Now I've only reacted to Taeyang and Jimin's compilation, and this is the second interaction reaction that I'm doing. So I am guessing it is with the other members also. Once I react to all of their interactions, I'll probably get a much clearer idea. But that's what I get the feeling. I'm very happy somebody is there to take care of my baby brother.
BTS, are you ready? We're ready.
Yeah, this is really healing my soul.
아미 볼 생각이
I
너무
agree.
떨려요. 정국 씨는 어때요? 네? 조시.
정국.
아미들 다들 밥 먹었어?
정국아.
네?
이렇게 안 나? 네, 울어?
Aww. I think this was there in the women video also.
내가 우는 거 이런 느낌이야.
See, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. Like when I say like the closeness of men's friendship, they are really not afraid to like cry also. And this is something which is really looked down upon here. Men should be emotionally available and men should be able to, talk about their feelings openly. I don't know why it is discouraged in the society. I really don't understand it. Which I am glad that here that is not the case. Where is the sports? Who's that? Oh no. Taeyang is always around and Jungkook is okay. Well, even Jimin is there.
Well done. Well done.
Jikook moments also I have to react to. I swear this is healing my soul. I swear. That's so adorable. Oh, Singularity. Oh, they are watching his performance.
역시 우리 방탄 콘서트 결정이네요.
Oh no, there are no subtitles.
그렇습니다. 여러분 저희가 지금까지
Honestly, I constantly feel like touching their. Whenever I see them, I also get this urge that I would want to touch their hair because it looks so healthy and soft. I know that's weird. I know. Aww, my baby brother is very cute. So that's their handshake.
내가 상상했던 것보다 그 이상일 것 같은데
The thought that you'll be
그 상상보다 훨씬 더 상상 그 이상.
That's the award name?
내가 상상했던 것보다 그 이상일 것 같은데 또 지금 다시 상상해보니 그 상상보다
Wow, look at the title of the award. The thought that I thought you'd be, I thought you'd be beyond my imagination.
상상했던 것보다 그 이상일 것 같은데 또 지금
But then I think again and you are way beyond my imagination award. Oh yes, that was there in the one of the compilations. So that's their handshake. Oh, I like this handshake. Oh, my phone is ringing. Wait, let me shut this first. Okay. So that was Take Cook Moments to Heal Your Soul. Honestly, my soul feels very, very healed. And I love how, like I said, you know, I'm very happy to see how comfortable they are. And I don't think even them as like one unit, but I feel all the members are very comfortable, you know, being close to each other, and they really do not mind showing their emotions for the other person openly in front of the camera also, and they're very comfortable with each other's presence, closeness, and I think that makes me very happy. That makes me very happy because honestly, I am like that with my bestie. You know, we will hug and we'll squeeze and mushy each other, and we do not mind. I mean, that's just normal when you are very close with a person, and it's okay. Like when you're hugging, like if my bestie will sit on my lap, I'll probably hug her from the behind. So it's really normal. It's really a normal thing. But when girls do it, it's not considered, as bad. But when guys do it, I don't know why there is this huge uproar that, oh, how can they do it? I don't think that should be the situation at all. So I'm really very, very happy to see this compilation. I would love to see more of Take Cook moments because, I need more healing to my soul. But yes, now that I've done women, I've done Take Cook, I want to actually see other member interactions as well. I want to actually do all the permutation and combinations as much as possible, so I get to know their relationships, their friendships better. And so that was my reaction to Take Cook Moments to Heal Your Soul. I loved it, and I hope you enjoyed and smiled watching this video and this reaction. If you are a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.